Okay, so the button just came off of a £225 pair of jeans. What? What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, for today's video we're doing something a little bit different. I basically thought that for today's video it would be quite fun if I challenged myself to basically recreate two of the same outfits, but they are going to be on completely different price points. So this idea kind of came about from all of my turning into celebrity videos from my series. If you guys haven't seen those already, I will link them all here. I've turned into Kylie Jenner, Ariana Grande, and also, who else did I turn into? Gigi Hadid, that's the one. I almost forgot then. For all of those videos, I feel like I have kind of mastered a little skill that I like to call being bougie, but on a budget. Through that, I have found that I'm actually quite good at getting the same sort of outfit to like celebrities, which are really, really expensive, but I can get them for a fraction of the price, so yay me. So I thought this would be a fun little challenge to do to see if I can recreate a really expensive outfit for a lot cheaper. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more in the future, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below, and also don't forget to subscribe, come and join the dinosaur family. But that is enough rambling. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so to get cracking on with this video, the first item I have to show you guys for the expensive outfit is this shirt. So this seems to just be like a very plain white collar button-up sort of shirt. You could probably get this in Sainsbury's, Tesco's, Asda, Lidl, literally any supermarket. However, this shirt is a little bit different because this cost £130. So, I mean, it's a little bit pricey, just a chunk of money really. Yeah, £130. Like really, I mean, I love Asos, you guys. By the way, everything in this video is from Asos, and they are having a 20% off discount on Monday. This video is not sponsored by Asos or anything. I just thought I'd let a sister know, you know, because I feel like that should just be in the friend rulebook. If you know that there's discounts somewhere, then you best tell your friend, or else you're not a very good friend, are you? So I mean, yeah, this is a plain white shirt. Very simple, very casual. You could get this anywhere. You don't need to spend £130 on this. So let's move on to the affordable style. So for the affordable side, we have the same shirt pretty much. This one was from a brand called Pieces, and by the way, the other one wasn't even like a brand that I knew. I will link all of the links down below in case you guys want to check them out, but this one was £12.50, so we're making a huge saving already. I mean, from £130 to £12.50 is a pretty good bargain if I say so myself. Now moving on to the bottoms, this I was kind of shook about. So for the expensive outfit, we have this pair of like mom style, kind of boyfriend style jeans. They are pretty much a pair of jeans that you could get, you know, anywhere really these days. You could get these in Topshop, Primark. So these ones are by a brand called Mimi Jeans, and for some reason, some strange reason, they thought that they could price these at £225. So let's just talk about that for a second. £225. Like, what makes this denim special? Is it like infused with gold? Can I not see the value of them, like, to my naked bare eye? Is the stitching like, I don't know, silk fiber or something? Literally, I don't see any difference to any regular pair of jeans. I feel like these are definitely overpriced by a mile. And obviously no offense to Mimi Jeans, whoever you are, I just feel like that is kind of ridiculous. Like, come on, like, you know, £30 is already a push for jeans, so £225? Nah. So for the affordable side, we definitely have something very similar. I mean, let's just quickly compare. Like, you know, the color's not quite the same, but the shape, the cut, everything pretty much about it is very similar. They feel the same, like the fabric isn't any more expensive or any better quality on this side. So if you're wondering, these were £19. So £19 versus 225. It's no brainer really, is it? Now moving on to the jacket. For the expensive side, we have this gorgeous leather, faux leather jacket from Warehouse. So honestly, I own a jacket very similar to this. I feel like a leather jacket is just one of those staples you really need in your wardrobe. It honestly, you can wear it any time of the year. It fits with everything, like any outfit, it will just go with. So I feel like this is definitely a really, really good piece to have. However, this was £60. So although it has really nice detailing, I love like the quilting on the shoulders, it's got really nice hardware, it is a bit pricey. Like, I mean, for jacket, I don't know, you guys let me know. Do you think £60 is pricey for a jacket? Because to me, I feel like maybe for like a winter coat, I would spend that, but definitely not for like a little leather jacket, if you know what I mean. But don't you worry, I have a solution for this. I have a half price jacket, and hear me out. I mean, obviously it doesn't look exactly the same. No leather jacket looks exactly the same. But if you're going for that leather jacket vibe, you can get it for half price. So this one was £27.50 off the top of my head, I think. Yeah, this is really nice. It's still got the silver hardware. It hasn't got the quilting, but it's got like all of the studding as well, and it's just really cute. I mean, you can't really go wrong with half price for pretty much the same thing. Now moving on to the shoes, we have this brand right here for the expensive side. This brand I've actually never heard of before. It's called Sisley, and the shoes are really, really pretty, I've got to say. So these are what the shoes look like. They're just simple black booties, but I mean, look how shiny they are. Like, my studio lights are doing them justice for sure. They've got silver zippers as well, so I really like the hardware, and I also really like the heel and like how pointy it is. This kind of shoe has definitely been on trend, and especially now that it's kind of like end of summer, I feel like these shoes are obviously going to be really in for autumn as well. The only thing is, they did cost, well, actually, I want you guys to guess, how much do you think these shoes are worth? Like, comment right now, comment down below, let me know what you think. You've got 3 seconds, do it now. Okay, so these shoes, I wonder if you guys are going to be right, were £110. So, again, that's a bit excessive for shoes. I probably wouldn't spend that amount on shoes unless they were like amazing, you know? Like, they've got to be like everything you've ever dreamed of, the most comfiest shoes, the most stylish shoes forever and ever. But these, they're kind of like, you know, I could definitely see these on the high street somewhere. I don't know. They are cute, but are they worth £110? Probably not. So for the affordable version, I have picked up a very similar pair of shoes. These ones were actually from Public Design. They have such amazing shoes, and they're always really affordable, so what can you not love? Okay, are you guys ready for this? These are the affordable shoes. They're literally so similar. I'm so happy with myself. These are so similar. Can you even guess which one was which now? Because I'm kind of getting confused. Okay, so obviously this is the expensive one and this is the affordable one. But look, they are so similar. Even the shape, even the heel. This one's a little bit more round and this one's a little bit more like blocky, if you can see. Obviously this one hasn't got a zipper like this one, and this one's a little bit longer. But I mean, let's not get caught up in the details and specifications. They look very, very similar to the naked eye. Do you want to spend £110 or do you want to spend £19.50? Oh yeah. So now for the very last part of the outfit, we have the accessory. So I went for a handbag. So for the expensive side, we have this one right here. So this one is from Versace Jeans, which is very bougie, very expensive. This was, I think, £150. What the heck? I feel like I would never spend that kind of money on a little bag like this, and especially because it's Versace Jeans. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like Versace Jeans isn't as like good or as bougie as like Versace just by itself, but I never really understand what the jeans means. So if you guys know, do let me know below, because I've always wondered that with like different designer brands. But yes, this is the bag. I honestly do think it's cute, but would I spend £150 on this? Probably not. So for the affordable side, we have a bag for $21.99, and it is this. Now, obviously these bags are not exactly the same. I found it quite difficult to actually try and find a bag that looked like this for an affordable amount. But I feel like I still did pretty well because look, the shape is very similar. They've got that saddlebag sort of shape. Obviously this one's on a chain and this one's got like a cool eyelet sort of strap. This one was $21.99. This one was $150. Obviously, you're paying for the brand for this one, but if you're going for the look, might as well go for this one, right? Okay, so those are the two different outfits. Now, I am really eager to try them on and see if they actually look comparable, so let's do that now. Okay, so this is the first outfit. This is what the expensive one looks like, and honestly, I've got to say, I actually kind of like it. It's a little bit different to my usual style, but I actually came across this kind of outfit on Pinterest, and it really inspired me to try something new, which is why I'm wearing a slightly different style to usual, but I really actually like it. And I've got my little handbag as well, and I've got my shoes on too. So I've got to say, the shoes are actually a lot more comfortable than I thought they would be, because they are of course made from like this I can't stand. They're made from this strange like PVC or I don't even know what that's called. Like, I don't even know what that even stands for. PVC? I'm out of breath from standing on one leg. Anyways, you guys know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, they're kind of like a strange material, but they're really, really comfy, so that's a good sign. I've got to say, although I do really like this outfit, it does kind of feel like a waste of money. Like, it kind of feels like I just spent £675 on all of this, and it doesn't feel any different to any other outfit that I own. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was gonna feel a bit more bougie in this. So that is basically the verdict. I think that really speaks for itself. Like, the outfit is really cute, but at the end of the day, I'm like £675 in debt right now, so I don't know if that's worth it.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so the button just came off of a £225 pair of jeans. What? I was trying to take the jeans off and the button literally just snapped off. So that just goes to show, £225 and the button comes off. Like, really? So yeah, this is the first expensive outfit. Now let's take a look at the cheaper alternative. And this is the second outfit. This is obviously the affordable one, and I am actually really, really liking this. Right off the bat, I've got to say, the jeans fit so much nicer. Like, they're a little bit more high-waisted, which I love. There's literally virtually no difference in the shirts, to be honest. I mean, look at this shirt and look at the other one. There's just no difference at all. There is slight difference with the coat. Like, it comes a little bit longer and it's slightly a larger size because there wasn't my size on the website. But all in all, this is pretty much the same look. There's my shoes as well. They are very, very comfortable as well. I've got to say, they're actually a little bit more comfortable than the other ones because the other ones have a slightly more pointed toe, whereas these ones are a little bit more round, but they still have the same look. So I'm actually really, really impressed with this outfit. Considering this whole outfit cost £100 rather than $675, I feel like that's a pretty good bargain. But what do you guys think? Do you think you could tell the difference between this outfit and the other outfit? I feel like the difference is very, very small. Obviously, they're not exactly the same, but they are just so similar that I could not justify spending so much money on the expensive outfit. So those were the outfits. Honestly, I am kind of shook at how well I did at this challenge. If you guys would like to see more challenges like this, do let me know, because I feel like I'm kind of getting good, not to blow on my own trumpet or anything. I am honestly kind of shook at how different the price points were, but how similar the outfit is, because, you know, it just kind of opens your mind a little bit that if you do decide to like buy something expensive, maybe think twice, because, you know, if you shop around a little bit, you could probably almost always find a dupe for it or find something very similar for like a fraction of the price. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little challenge. I know it's something a little bit different on my channel. I don't usually do videos like this. I've got to have a little heart to heart with you guys in this video, because I feel like recently all I've been doing is just like fashion videos and fashion videos and fashion videos, and I definitely want to do something a little bit different with my channel as well, not just fashion. So if you guys have any suggestions on what videos you would like to see on my channel, do let me know. I really appreciate all of your recommendations and, you know, requests for what you want to see here. The thing I want you guys to take away from this video is to definitely spend less money. I mean, I can't really talk, but just take my advice, okay? Anyways, that is all for this video. Thank you so, so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you soon in my next video. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, I have new merch which says Sassy Since Birth. It's very, very fresh, so it's not even out yet, but I think it'll be out on Tuesday, so I will have a link in the description, and I'll also post about it on Instagram and stuff, so you guys can check it out and buy it if you're interested. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.